everyone. In today's video, I am down here at the Boise River fishing on my 1-hour lunch break. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday, and let's throw a line in and see if we can catch anything. Just caught this beautiful 8-9 inch rainbow trout using just a worm. Whoa! And he's back in the water. But what a beautiful fish. Grateful to catch him using just a worm. Well, that's the end of today's fishing adventure. Broke my pole. Got snagged on something at the bottom. Didn't feel like I pulled back that hard, but I snapped my pole. So that is the end of this fishing adventure. So that's it for this video. That's it for this pole. Thank you for watching. Caught that 8-9 inch rainbow trout, just beautiful colors. And then yeah, I'm calling it quits a little bit early because I broke my pole. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll let you know what I get for a new pole, and we'll catch you on the next video.